There is fourth quarter, April. Oops! What a nice pass. And it's a turnover.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hindi nga ni Ray. Okay lang.
Kobe! 3 isa!
Rogelio is dribbling the ball. Pass to the man of Loha. Loha shot. And it's good. The battle is on. The score is 45-55. William pass to Kobe. Kobe T-Boys. And it's like a good shot.
Sa kalentong.
Talentong.
Bumalik sinaman.
Oops! There's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul.
Number 9.
It's RJ Abelia. Foul.
Magkikita sila ni ate.
RJ! Jay! RJ! Nagkagalingan daw ba? RJ.
Yan na pala ni RJ, pre. Abelia. Oo. Dalawa.
That's my son. That's acting. That's acting. That's me. Okay. Magandang laban. Malapit na po. Malapit yung main score. Yun, bumawi. That's my son. That's my son. That's me. That's Fidel. That's Gaward. That's Ray.
Dito lang din? Oo, doon.
That's my son again. That's my power rebound. Pero dribble lang ang wala ko. Sino yun? Nice! Nice assist! I like the assist. I like the assist. You like the assist? You like it? You like it? Lalanggana, Loha. Pero sumusut pa rin yung tira. Wala. Ganoon mo. Wala, pabayaan mo na, pabayaan mo na. Pabayaan mo na. Pabayaan mo na, pabayaan mo na. Gares! Wag. Masarap yun. Ayan ang mga kami kinakawawa, kami binubugbog.
XD rin yan eh.
Oo.
Naiwalay lang sa kanila.
Boom. Tapos Arlo. Ito na mga pasa ni Arlo. Tapos sa kanya rin babalik. Tapos wala. Tapos rebound. Tapos rebound siya, Abelia, Abelia, no good, pero nirebound, wala rin. Wala rin. Ano sabi mo?
Dati, bigyan nyo siya kahit XD yun.
Gano'n?
Lang XD.
Kaya ikaw, Aljan, yari ka sa coach.
Joke lang.